My favorite part of working with ONEIL is I love the flexibility that ONEIL provides. ONEIL gives you a lot of options for having a positive work-life balance.
I've always loved to come to work here. I just enjoy the time that I spend with our employees, and I love that they feel a part of a team.
We take engineering information from our customers so that we can develop operations and maintenance manuals. Our job as technical writers is to take that engineering data and transform it into a medium that's more digestible for maintenance technicians.
We like to say anything from a blender to a locomotive and everything in between. We've written documentation for, provided product support information for.
ONEIL's mission is to make equipment safer to use, faster to repair, and easier to maintain.
This is what we do. This is our mission here at ONEIL. But nothing's done in a silo here. Technology groups work in teams, operation groups work in teams.
I feel like collaboration is one of our strong suits here. You know, while there are different business units and different disciplines, oftentimes projects take all of those or some of those departments.
It actually even feels kind of family oriented. I mean, everybody here has been working here for so long. It's like it has a nice personal feel to it.
ONEIL offers a wide range of benefits.
Last year, the company switched from a traditional PTO bank style system to unlimited PTO.
You can work from home and you can set your own hours, so it's very flexible.
I would choose ONEIL over any job that I've been offered because of the fact that I see that they take the employees seriously.
ONEIL kind of fits me. It fits my work ethic, it fits my lifestyle. It's very accommodating for its employees. My name is Chris Smith.
Kelly Metcalf.
Samira Hashmi.
Donna England.
John Agnew.
Jason Miller.
Melanie Wendelin, and I'm proud to work at ONEIL.